If you're on the fence about the Garmin Dash Cam 57, or just looking for the truth behind those slick ads promising you seamless, crystal-clear footage and hands-free control, you're exactly where you need to be. This little pocket-sized dash cam claims to be the ultimate eyewitness on the road with 1440p HD video, voice commands, and smart incident detection. Sounds perfect, right? But here's what surprised me. It's not all smooth sailing with the Garmin Dash Cam 57. In fact, some of its features might actually frustrate you more than protect you. Stick around because I'm going to unpack what works, what doesn't, and whether it's really worth your $199.99, or if you should steer clear. First off, who exactly is this dash cam for? If you're a daily commuter wanting an unobtrusive, easy-to-use device tucked neatly on your windshield, Garmin promises the Dash Cam 57 is just that. It boasts a discreet design with a 140-degree wide lens, capable of recording crisp HDR 1440p video day and night, perfect for capturing every angle during an unexpected accident or road rage incident. But here's the twist. This pocket-sized gadget's small footprint comes with compromises that could leave you questioning its reliability when it really counts. Okay, quick joke to lighten it up. Why did the dash cam break up with the dashboard? Because it just couldn't handle the pressure. Now that's out of the way, let's dive deeper. The Garmin Dash Cam 57's voice control feature is a headliner, letting you save clips, take stills, and start or stop audio recording with simple commands in multiple languages. Sounds futuristic and hands-free, doesn't it? However, users have found that the voice recognition is finicky and only works flawlessly in ideal conditions. Background noise inside the car, accents, or even a change in command phrasing can leave you shouting at what feels like a very unhelpful robot. So much for a smooth, hands-free experience. But wait, there's more. The camera automatically uploads your saved videos to Garmin's cloud-based vault via Wi-Fi, meaning you don't have to mess with cables or memory cards. Plus, through the Garmin Drive app, you can access live views, parking surveillance, and even monitor up to 4 Garmin Dash cams at once. Cool features for the tech-savvy. However, here's the catch. These functionalities depend heavily on a constant Wi-Fi connection and a compatible smartphone. If your car park doesn't get decent Wi-Fi or the app connectivity glitches, you could miss critical alerts or fail to secure footage after incidents occur. Imagine relying on this for evidence, only to find your camera was offline when you needed it most. Now, here's a mini promise to keep you hooked. Later on, I'll reveal a neat trick to optimize Garmin's parking guard alerts so you don't miss those overnight incidents. But first, let's talk video quality. Garmin's Clarity HDR optics make a strong case for their image quality, delivering clear footage even in challenging light conditions like night driving or glare from the sun. Yes, that's true and definitely a big plus for the Dash Cam 57. Drivers have praised how detailed the footage can be, and the 140-degree lens is wide enough to sneak in important context without showing a fisheye effect. But hang on, don't get the popcorn ready yet. Video quality isn't the whole story. Another joke for you. Why don't dash cams ever get into fights? Because they always keep their footage. Jokes aside, some users report the camera occasionally drops frames or freezes, especially on longer drives in high temperatures. Garmin claims the Dash Cam 57 has a durable build designed to withstand harsh vehicle environments, including direct sunlight and hot interiors, but the reality seems a little less resilient. Dash cams are meant to be your silent bodyguard, not a drama queen overheating and shutting down mid-episode. Speaking of drama, the Garmin Dash Cam 57 also comes with driver alerts, forward collision warnings, lane departure notices, and speed camera alarms aimed at enhancing your situational awareness. Sounds like your car's own personal assistant, but there's a problem. The warnings are only as good as their detection capabilities, which can be affected by weather, road conditions, and location. Plus, the The red light and speed camera warnings aren't available everywhere, which can be a bummer if you drive through different regions frequently. If you're expecting a perfect co-pilot, you might be a little disappointed. Now, for a quick question to keep you thinking. Have you ever wondered whether paying nearly $200 for a dash cam that relies on your phone and Wi-Fi is worth the cost when cheaper models might offer offline, uninterrupted recording? This question becomes vital when you factor in some real-world user frustrations where they experience lag in live view access, unreliable parking guard notifications, or the Garmin Drive app crashing. Reliability is king when it comes to dash cams, and the Garmin Dash Cam 57's cloud dependency can sometimes feel like relying on your weather app for a sunny day. Pleasant when it works, annoying when it doesn't. Alright, second mini promise here. I'll get to how the Garmin Drive app's multicam feature can be a game changer, especially if you want full 360-degree coverage of your vehicle. But before that, let's talk about ease of setup. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 generally gets high marks for being straightforward to install, easily clipping onto your windshield and connecting with your smartphone. The pocket-sized form factor means it doesn't block your view, which is a huge win for safety and legality, especially in jurisdictions that regulate dashboard devices. But heads up, as with any tech gadget, expect a small learning curve navigating the app for first-time users, and be prepared for firmware updates that sometimes take longer than expected. Here's a little joke before we move forward. What did the dash cam say to the reckless driver? "I'm watching you, so drive nice." Funny, but seriously, since this cam is constantly recording, knowing it's there might make you drive a bit more cautiously, which is ultimately a win. So let's address the parking guard feature and live view remotely, because this is where the Garmin Dash Cam 57 tries to set itself apart. When activated, Parking Guard monitors motion and impacts around your parked car and sends you alerts if something happens. However, this too demands an active Wi-Fi connection and continuous power supply. In parking garages or spots without reliable Wi-Fi, this feature drops out. Plus, Garmin Drive app notifications aren't always as instant as you'd like in a real emergency. Even so, when it works, it's a fantastic security net giving peace of mind. Now for the neat trick I promised. To make the parking guard alerts more effective, ensure your Garmin Dash Cam 57 is connected to a dedicated vehicle power source like a hardwired kit, so it stays powered even when your car's off. Pair this with your smartphone's Wi-Fi hotspot or a portable Wi-Fi device to maintain constant connections in tricky parking spots. It might sound like a bit of effort, but it guarantees you won't miss crucial footage or alerts while your car's unattended. Let's pause for one more joke. Why did the dash cam become a motivational speaker? Because it always captures moments worth remembering. And that's exactly what you want from a dash cam. Reliable memories, not just blurry shadows. Now, before wrapping up, I want to talk about the overall value. At $199.99, the Garmin Dash Cam 57 stands in the mid to high price range of dash cameras. Its feature set, voice control, high-res HDR video, GPS tracking, parking guard, and cloud storage makes it appealing for safety-conscious drivers who want a compact, smart, and connected device. The 4.3-star Amazon rating reflects that many users find the camera delivers on these promises. But the common thread in critical reviews points to Wi-Fi dependency issues, occasional freezes, and voice recognition quirks, which are worth considering if you want a hassle-free experience. In terms of competition, there are dash cams with similar specs at slightly lower prices, but few match Garmin's app ecosystem or GPS integration. If you value Garmin's brand reliability, built-in driver alerts, and cloud backup, this might be your best pick. But if you want a straightforward plug-and-play device that doesn't require constant Wi-Fi or phone connection, you may want to explore alternatives. Now for the big finish. Despite its downsides, The Garmin Dash Cam 57 is still a solid buy for drivers who want comprehensive features packed in a tiny form factor. It keeps you connected, captures detailed footage day or night, and offers smart driving alerts to help you stay safe. Plus, Garmin's app lets you keep all your videos organized, automatically syncing clips so you can quickly find what you need after an incident. Just remember to layer your expectations realistically. No dash cam is perfect, but the 57 tries hard to cover its bases. So if you're someone who values tech-forward features, doesn't mind occasionally troubleshooting connectivity, and wants a durable, discreet dash cam that silently documents your journeys, the Garmin Dash Cam 57 is worth a closer look. Now, if you want to grab your Garmin Dash Cam 57 at the best price possible, check out the Amazon link in the description below. Prices change fast, so don't wait too long before making your move. Remember, whether you're a daily commuter, road tripper, or just someone who wants extra protection against unpredictable road situations, investing in a dash cam is smart. The Garmin Dash Cam 57 won't be perfect for everyone, but its crisp video quality, voice control, and smart features could just be the upgrade your car needs. Thanks for sticking with me through this honest review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more no-nonsense product reviews to help you buy smarter. Safe driving, and may your footage never be needed. But if it is, may yours be crystal clear.